I hope this is working. Okay, so you're gonna click login. You will choose student account. I'm a teacher, but you're signing in with Google. The internet is slow. Slow internets. Slow internets. Okay, you are going to go up here and click learn, and then you're working on these. So wherever you left off, I showed you that one in class. So we're on view it. Let me reset my tutorial so that it's all there. Okay, so we're going to click start, and it's loading. On the left side, you have directions, so it says left click and drag anywhere on the view cube in the left corner to see how it changes your point of view. So this is a view cube, so you click and drag, okay? You can also click different areas of the view cube, like corners and edges. Try clicking different areas. Front. Oh, look. Okay. That's it. Next. Oh, nope. Next step. If you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, use it for zooming in and out. Zoom in and out. If you have a touchpad, you will zoom using whatever gesture it is. You can also zoom in and out by clicking these. Okay. Next step. This toolbar's in my way. Next step. Now you've used, this time only use a touchpad. Press and hold the right mouse key button. Just use a mouse. Use a mouse. Done. Congratulations. Next tutorial. Move it. I certainly hope you can hear me. Okay, let's move shapes around the work plane. I may have already done this. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's jump in. Okay, I hadn't done this yet. Left click and drag each box to one of the hits. By the way, if this gets in your way, you click up there. Okay, so we're dragging this to our hints. Next step. Now that I've mastered the moving around work plane, let's move it up. Okay, select a box and click on it. So do you see this cone right there? That's what you're going to click to drag it up. So we're going to click here and drag this up. Click here, drag this up. Click here. I'm going to zoom so that's out of the way. Okay. Next step. Congratulations. We got it. Okay. Done. Done. Next tutorial. Rotate. Okay. Let's rotate the shapes on the work plane. Oh, I think this one I need to reset. Hold on. Let me go. Well, okay. Select a box by left-clicking on it, the shape. This enables the shape handle. Okay. So yours probably doesn't have, I have no idea. There we go. Yours should look like that. Okay. So we're going to click on this, and you're going to have to rotate around because we need this one. So we're going to turn the box just like that. So let me delete my extra box. Okay, so it looks like this. Click on the center, and we need to rotate around. We want this one, so we're going to rotate it. There we go. And then this one. We got to rotate this way, or rotate this way. And we need that arrow. There we go. So I'm clicking on that curvy thingy and getting it rotate. Okay, next step. Congratulations, I did it. Yay! Done. Next tutorial. This is all you have to do. You could totally do this. Oh, there's all my extras. Let me delete my extras. Because apparently I've done this before. Here we go. Okay, so next step. Here should look like this. Select a box. Use the black handles to resize it. So we're going to click that way. Black, not white. Woohoo, we did that. Okay, now we're going to do this one. Black handles. White handles do both length and width at the same time, which is not good. Now, this one will resize both corners at the same time. So I'm clicking the white because then it clicks and drags to both sides. Yay, we did it. Next tutorial. Ooh, group it. Group it's hard. Group it is not hard. Group it is not hard at all. Okay, so next step. Next step. We're gonna group this. Okay, so select the box on the left by clicking on the shape and then hold the shift key. So I'm pressing the shift key down on the keyboard at the same time I'm clicking that, and because I did that, I have these icons. So I'm going to click Union Group. See, it says Union Group, so I'm going to click Union Group. Look, it grouped it together. Yay! Next. Oh, now we're going to make a hole. So this light shaded thingy means it's going to be a hole once we group it. Now, instead of pressing that shift key, just drag a rectangle around, and whatever falls inside that rectangle is selected. You can see it because there's a blue outline. So now I'm going to click that, and look, woohoo, I have a hole. Next. Done. Copy it. Begin next tutorial. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Copy. So, we're going to click this, and we're going to click copy. 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 And then we're going to use paste. Oh, look, there it is. And now I'm going to drag this over there. Whee! You can also press Control Copy and Control V. So we need another one. Because I copied it, I don't have to copy it again. Ooh, undo, undo. I made a mistake. Undo. Whew, that was scary. Okay, now we're going to do it again. There we go. Yay! Next step. I did it. Duplicate. What's the difference between copying, pasting, and duplicating? We're going to find out. Ooh. I don't know about this. Okay. Drag a shape from the Shapes panel. I don't know if that's supposed to be on there. I don't know if that was supposed to be on there or not. There's my shapes. Click Duplicate. Okay, I did that. Next. Duplicate again. I did. Oh, look, there they are. Ooh, look. Whee! Okay. I did it. Next. Hide it! We're almost done. We're almost done. We got this. We got this. Okay. Workplace can be clear. Instead of moving or deleting shapes you may need, you can easily hide them. Next step. Click on the rectangle. Woohoo! Click on this. Ooh, look! It's gone. Yay! Unhide the shape by clicking that. Bye. Hi. Bye. Hi. Okay, next step. Oh wait, I need to hide this again. Okay. Make a selection. Oh, I want to hide these. This is called apparently lassoing. Look, hide those. Oh no, where'd they go? Now if I click here. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Did it. We mastered it. Okay, done. Ooh, lunch is done. Ooh, we made it to the last one. Yay! This is so exciting. I hope you're excited. Okay, these aren't supposed to be there. Okay, so this is what yours looks like. So, blah, blah, blah. Select all of the box shapes by holding the shift key on the keyboard and left clicking on each box. Okay, you know what? I'm clicking and dragging. I clicked and dragged, so all those are selected. I did number 1. With all the shapes selected, click the Align tool. Look, Align's right here. If you don't select it, look, I can't click on it because I didn't select it. So let me click and drag on those and then click that. Okay, step 1. Hover your mouse to see. Hover means don't click. Ooh, look, that's what it does. Okay. Next step. Click on any alignments, blah, blah, blah. Now, numbers. Try to align the boxes to the front box. That's the front box. So, look, they were all forward now. Yay, did it. Next step. No, hold on. Back. I missed a step. we got to align it to that box, so I need to also bring it down. There we go. Duh. So that front box didn't move, so we aligned everything to that box. Look, they're in a straight line. Congratulations. Whee! This is what you need to screenshot. So you need to screenshot this. You can go down here, screen capture. There you go. Capture. That's what you need to submit on Canvas. Hope you've enjoyed this video.